Today's my cat's birthday. Shiro, happy birthday. 誕生日おめでとう. He's turning 12. Isn't that fabulous? He's the same age as me, except he's a grandpa and a cat. Shedding like creep. See, look at this. Look at all this fur. That's the camera. Yeah. Turning old. He's been our outside cat for like most of his life now, and I'm surprised he's still surviving. I guess cats are more on the wild side. Shiro! Face the camera. There we go. Oh goodness. Look at it. There's like people coming by. Ugh, it's the camera. So I guess it's just a minute of me petting my cat and my cat being on top of me. Alright, well I guess I hope you wish him a happy birthday. And I'll see you on the flip side. Bye! Say bye to the camera.